Take 2 cup of multigrain flour, a pinch of salt. Here I have taken 3/4 cup of half cup ghee and half teaspoon of oil. Half cup saakar, which is called cube sugar. With same amount of water, boil the saakar and water. Take 1/3 tablespoon of soda, elaichi powder, which is cardamom, half a teaspoon. Mix it well. In the meantime, keep the ghee and the oil for melting. Add hot melted mix into the flour. Mix the flour properly. It should be in this consistency. Now the saakar and water that is melted, you knead the dough with it. The dough should be hard enough. Now flatten the dough, cut it into square or diamond shape. You may find cracks, that is fine. It is because the dough is hard. You can remove the side portion if you wish to. After cutting, transfer it to a plate. In this way, flatten the doughs and cut all into square shape and transfer it into plate. Once everything is ready, heat the oil and fry the diamonds or the square shape, whichever shape you have made, in medium high flame. Do not keep on stirring it, or the diamonds or the square shape will break and oil will be dirty. Once once it is little brown consistency, strain it and transfer it to a plate. Once everything is fried, you can relish it. After cooling down, keep it in an airtight container and enjoy it every day. It is going to be soft, very soft. So don't touch when it is hot. Let it cool down and then you eat, and then you can eat it. I hope you like my recipe. If you have tried, how it has turned out, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.